Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jela Wakmi Ikatan Community and Rural Development Abu Teher Mandal haka sautri urampang arajar pausau ulia thuo ka jingthau yaki C&Rd block ba Thymmai hapo ka jela kadang yai beteng haba karen chigilap thai kubor mandal ulong nara ka Sorkar ka yoi bakalong ka badan kam ban pin bha yaki block ke Thymmai ka zashim yakarai dag Bishar Shwa bin pabin bar ka jingdon pisah jong ka Sorkar.
No, see, it is a continuous process. Opening up new blocks as and when the government feels that it is necessary to open the block, naturally will go. We'll have to see the demand of the people and also the resources from the state government. Mauhati block, you see, it is one of the remotest part. Many people had to travel around 80, 90, 100 kilometers to reach the block headquarters. And that's how Honorable Chief Minister thought that it is high time that Mauhati should have a block so that all developmental activities are done locally. And that's how this block has been established there. Yeah, demands are always there. Demands are always there. We are studying on that also.
Kapor kala day bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ka e ka thong ka bakidon ki e kiman ki bakongsan ki bakibu hakman kita ki de ki jingkeli ki bafidon kamman yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi ha ka arpwoi tarik urampang arajar arpsan baik ya ka program markman bat ki kertong